The Hill State People's Democratic Party, which is part of the ruling NPP-led MDA 2.0 government, on Monday urged the state government to review the state reservation policy of 1972. While speaking to reporters after the meeting of the party, Hspdp President KP Pangnyang said that the need to review the reservation policy is one of the agenda which was incorporated in the party manifesto for the recent Assembly General elections. He further said that the party will raise this issue in the Coordination Committee of the MDA. Meanwhile, party MLA from Mauthad Raishad, Shakliar Warjri, said that as a party they will continue to deliberate on this issue.
Interest jong kan nunggu check and review iti ong bay yangi phigi nong put jong kan party la shaji si yang skam bandawai asin ja state ka badai tang maka ka solution ya baro la tungkang tumjang ngimdan kamban ya friend ya ka percentage jong ka ta ka population jingdon bun pa garo kasi nginda ka bay suk bat ki da bay hun bat ki nangta ki babun ka bangidai bat kani ka banta bat itu no ya ka tin kasi jongi naringi dawai kasin ja state ka tin jugi long pa ka tin kasi bat ki wei ki jing jong ka jai mudai ko jongi
government ni nak lihat parti berkunjung ada yang cukup baru kamu ki melihat bila isim yang kerai ba ni ziarah ya kini ya kepengin je kerana pok sorka